By the end of this video, you'll know how to play Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on guitar for beginners. We have a little helper today. Rudolph, he's going to be checking you are listening carefully and following along with today's tutorial. So every time you see him, I want you to shout, Merry Christmas! Ho, ho. Merry I'm also Christmas. Encouraging parents today to help out and learn alongside and get involved.
Christmas.
If you'd love to join me on a Christmas guitar adventure, we have a full playlist of the most popular Christmas songs you can learn. I've provided the link in the description so you can wow everyone at Christmas and play for family and friends.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine.
Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, just remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you'd like and just go at your own pace. That's absolutely fine. Also, I want to just show you quickly how we're going to pluck the strings and how we're going to push the strings down to the fretboard here. Okay, so I'm going to set you a little challenge here. What we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb and we're just going to place it on the back of the neck so it's pointing upwards. And then we're going to take the finger and then we're going to take the tip of the finger, should I say, and then we're going to push down into the string. And I want you to see if you can get a dint in your finger. Now, if we get the dint in the finger, then we know we're pushing into the string and the fretboard to get the correct sound. Now, what sometimes can happen if you're a beginner and you're first starting playing is that as soon as we push down to get the note, you want to, because it might hurt the finger, you might want to let go, but you got to just keep the string pushed down. That's how we get a really clear sound. Also, there's a second thing you can do here is to keep right behind the fret. So this metal strip here is what we call the fret. So if we're here on the fret, we're always going to sound a little bit buzzy. So we want to tuck up slightly behind the fret like this. And with the right amount of push, and the right position, the right part of the fingertip, your notes will sound really, really clear and good. So with that in mind, let's now jump into the tutorial. If this video is helping you right now, consider giving us a like and a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel so you will be the first notified when we post new videos every week, just like this one. So these 6 lines at the bottom here are the strings. So I love to bring these on screen because it just makes it all very visual with the numbers. So we have the 6 strings going this way. So 6 is this one, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. So those are the strings, and then the numbers are the frets. So when you see a 0, that means we don't push the string down. It's what we call an open string. And let's say if you saw number 3 on string 2, that would mean that you would count 1, 2, 3, so to the 3rd fret, and you would push down here to get that note to sound. And just let's say if you was at the 1st fret or you saw the number 1, then you would play here, and you can see that it's on string 2. I'm going to be plucking the string using my thumb like this. There are different ways we can pluck the strings. That we can also use a guitar pick. I think I have one here just to show you. So we can use one of these as well. But if you're a beginner, then just using the thumb's fine. Just keep your fingers rested on the front like that, keeps the hand steady, and then you just push in towards the floor with your thumb. You might just want to practice plucking like this a few times, so you're getting a feel for the strings like that. Okay, here we go. Okay, congratulations! before getting to the end. Now, to get this song for Christmas, I recommend practicing it for at least 10 minutes per day. And by practicing 10 minutes a day, what you're going to notice is that the notes will get faster and faster. And it's a repetition thing, just repeating and repeating. Also, next I've provided a song demonstration of how it sounds when we've got the correct rhythm and it's all pieced together. That is my time. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So make sure you go and click on the playlist.